Okay. Okay. First of all, we will learn about spelling and pronunciation. So do you can you tell me the difference between spelling and pronunciation?
I think spelling uh is like how many vowel letters in this in let in uh how many vowel like A, E, I, O, U, and pronunciations is the way we speak this word.
Okay, so spelling is a letters, right? About the A, B, C, D, E, F. So we have 26 letters in the English alphabet, right? And pronunciation is the way we pronunciate.
Yeah.
Okay. So first of all, we will learn about how to how to distinguish between E and E. You see? So we will learn about the difference from E and E. So that is the long E and short E. Okay. So first of all, the E, how to make the sound E. So you can see the way we put is like you smiling, right? And you make this long sound like E. Can you repeat?
E,
E.
E,
Okay, for example, is see,
C,
agree,
agree,
eat,
it,
and sit,
sit,
team.
team,
Okay, so can you give me some examples about long E?
uh, eagle,
Eagle,
uh, bean,
bean. What is bean? Can you spell it?
bean is B-E-A-N.
Okay, bean. Okay, that's right. All right, so how to? Okay, so can you see the picture here?
Yes,
Mm. So you can see the wide mouth is like we smiling like this, right? And your tongue, tongue of E, tức là cái lưỡi của mình nằm ở đâu nhỉ?
is front.
Yeah, front of the tongue of, nó không
Yes,
chạm vào đâu cả, nó ở giữa.
yes,
E. Okay, so how about the sound, the long E? No, short E is E, E. Can you repeat?
E,
E.
E,
Nó giống kiểu như mình bật ra ngoài ấy. Mình thả nó ra. Y.
E,
Ừ. Cái miệng mình nó thả lỏng thôi. Nó không có giống như cái phía ở trên là mình gãy. Y. Ở dưới sẽ là Y. Y.
E,
Ok, ví dụ. Ví dụ như từ này mình có từ gì đây? If.
if,
If. Chứ mình đâu có nói là if. No. This is the short E. So we have to say if. If.
if,
How to say this word?
listen,
Listen.
Listen.
Okay, listen.
Listen.
Listen, not listen. Not that. Okay?
Li-
And
Miss
miss
dinner.
dinner.
Swim.
Swim. Okay, very good. That's either the difference between E and E. Okay, so can you, we have, okay, I will write down on the screen and can you pronunciate for me that word? The first one,
Meat.
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 And the second one?
Meat
So which one is long E?
is I think long E is meat. The second one.
The second one, so we have to say meat.
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 And the first one have to meet.
Meat.
We meet you, or we have a meeting. And the second one is we eat meat. It's longer, right?
Yes.
Okay. Mm, okay. Let me see. Okay, so can you look at the picture here? We have the exercise. We have this exercise number 1. Can you use your tools?
Yes.
Mm. Or you can tell me it's all right. So can you take a look at exercise number 1? The first one we have green and we have 5 letters. And how many sounds we have?
For
4. What are they? Sorry.
uh GREA.
Okay, that's right. So this is the long E or the short E?
I think long E.
Long E. So we have to say
Green.
green. Okay, that's right. And number 1, or we have
Uh we have 3 letters
3 letters and
and 2 sounds.
2 sound. Okay, very good. So we have the exercise about E. Let me see. Okay, so can you take a look number 1? The exercise 2.1. Can you put these E word in the dialogue? Number 1, A.
What shall we do this? Uh,
What shall we do?
what shall we do this evening?
Yeah, evening.
Evening.
Okay, so let's stay at home or watch
TV.
TV. Number 2,
Let's be. Let me read that email.
email.
No, it's secret.
No, it's a secret. Okay, now number 3,
You know my friend, uh, Steve.
Steve.
Yes. Well, he's got a new job. He's joined the police.
Okay, so the purpose of this lesson, you have to how to distinguish between E and E. Okay, so sometimes we have some words like this. For example, meat and meat. Can you give me an example about some word is E and E but they the same pronunciation? Cho chị cái ví dụ cho cô cái ví dụ như thế này được không? ví dụ như meet and meet.
C and C.
Yeah, can you write down it? Mình viết xuống thôi à? C and C. Cái nào là y dài?
Maybe the second one is long.
So the first one is,
C is short E.
are
Short
you
I.
sure? Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
No, both this is long E.
C. C.
Cả hai cái này đều là long mà. Cái nào là ngắn nhỉ? Cái she ấy, she.
She.
Ừ, she thì là ngắn. It's short. But this is long E. It's see. It's over see or see you again. And one more. One more example. I have an example for you is mm, how to say this word.
Fit.
So that's it the long or short?
Along.
Long. So which the second one is
Fit is short.
you can see right
Yes.
here. So the first one is feet and the second one is fit. Okay, so that is we can listen and distinguish between the difference between feet and fit, the long E and short E. Okay,
Yes.
okay. Here we have some example here. You see the example here? Leave and leave. And knee and near, leader and letter. Okay. You have any question about long E and short E?
No.
Okay, so next one we will move to the speaking part. Okay, wait for me. Okay. So we're gonna go to the speaking part about your name. I know your name is Phương, right? So where do you live?
I live in Đà Nẵng City.
Really? Đà
Yes.
Nẵng City? So what district you live?
Uh, is Thanh Khê district.
Thanh Khê districts. You know, I was a student in Đà Nẵng City.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, I study um in the foreign language
And
university and I just graduate and I've moving I come back my hometown a week ago.
is where is your hometown?
My hometown is Huế City.
It's also close to Đà Nẵng.
Yeah, it's so close. So I just come back. 1 week ago, I still was in Da Nang. I live at Sơn Trà district.
And it's also quite far from my house.
Yeah, it's a little bit far, right? Okay, so you are Da Nang citizen.
Yes.
So can you tell me what is the most? the best one you like in Da Nang City?
I think it's the atmosphere here, and because like, I think that it is the cleanest city in Vietnam.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, because like it's has a little impact. Um, like it has less pollutants, and we can work or go shopping every mornings.
Okay, you can walk every morning at the beach, right?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So, how about your plan in your future after you finish the exam? So, what major or what university you plan to go to?
Well, I have two options. Like the first option is economic one, and the second is foreign university.
Foreign.
Um
Mm,
I also like don't know what I should choose between two universities.
so I can feel like I can see your English very well. You know, but up to you. But this is my advice about your your decision.
Yes.
If you feel confident about your choose about economy, I think you should choose economy because
Yeah.
when you graduate, you have economic degree and you have the English skills and you have two, and it's easier to get a job because you
Mm.
have two skills about economy and about the English, about language. But if you choose just language, it's more limit because you just know about English, about the language, and you just go get the job about language. So that's my advice.
Yes.
Mm,
Yes, nice.
Okay. Okay, so can you tell me something about your family? What is your her parents do? What is their job?
My father is a baker and my
Bake.
mother is a teacher.
Teacher, so what is she teach?
She teaches math and physics. However, I am not good at these subjects.
It's okay. Me too. It's okay. Don't worry. So your dad is baker.
Yes.
So so your dad is open the bakery.
Like he makes bread and transport this to store.
Um,
He's doesn't he doesn't sell this bread.
okay, I see. Okay. And your brother?
My brother is also a student.
Okay, and so a student. You just have only one younger brother, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what do people usually call you?
Uh, It depends on the relationships. Like if they are relatives, they will call me Sa. Sa it's my family name, and when I learn English, my English name is Holly, and my teachers will call me. And in the school, at the school, my friends often call me Fool uh, because it's my name.
Okay. So your name is Phương and your nickname is Sa
Yes,
and your English name is
Holly.
Holly. Can you spell it?
It's H O double L Y.
Okay, so my English name is Jenny.
Yes, I know.
Yeah, Jenny. Jenny in Blackpink.
I know this.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so your name is Hồng Phương, right?
Yes.
So, do you have any meaning about that name?
Like is I think my name Fu and my younger brother name is Nam, so directions to
Mm,
it's a direction and it means that these directions may have luck and also the correct directions in
mm.
the successful paths.
Okay. Okay, so do you know who each name your name?
It's my aunt.
Your aunt?
Yes,
Your aunt in your dad's side or your mom's side?
my mom's side.
Your mom's side. Did
Yes.
you ask her why her name your you is Phương?
I think because like um my aunt is my aunt uh loves to put name to her her offsprings. Therefore, my brother names me, and also uh cou- my cousin's name. Also, my aunt's puts name for them.
Okay, I get it. Okay, so my name is Diệu Huyền. So you know who is name me?
I think your dad or your mom.
No, my grandpa.
Yeah.
My grandpa named me.
Yes.
Mm, and my name is means magical, magic.
Yeah. Yes.
It's it's
Yeah.
it's it's like magic. It's like dark magic and white magic. And yeah, that's my name. Okay, so can you tell me something about your favorite thing?
I love. I often spend most of my time reading comic books and also listening to music. On beside that, I also like plays badminton to like keep fit. However, most of my time I often spend like lying on the bed because I I think I love sleeping the most.
Mm. Okay, so your hours are more the most of your time you spend your time on the bed.
Yes,
You're around laser bed
yes,
because you love sleeping.
yes, because like it's in winter now and therefore the weather is really cold. I
Mm,
just want to lie on the bed and do whatever I want.
laying down on bed.
Just laying
Yeah,
down.
laying down on bed and do whatever you want. All right, very good. About how about animals? You have any pets?
Actually, not. Although I love to rise the bed. My mom still doesn't like it because
Mm,
she is allergic to animals.
mm, allergic to the animal. About their further, right?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, they're further about. So, um, can you tell me what you love cats?
Yes, I love both cats and dogs, but I
Mm,
still prefer dogs.
I prefer dogs too. So why? Why you like dog than cats?
Like because uh haven't have a chance. I don't have any chance uh to talk to the cat, but my English teachers has a little dog, and I think it's he is so cute, and I can touch him without any like he's won't bark to me, and that I will touch him. It's so like soft.
Mm. Okay, so I can see dog is more friendly than cats, right?
Yes.
And I think it's more cute. It's cuter than cat. It's up to their up to the people what they like. Yeah. So do you like the same animal you like when you were younger?
I think yes. When I was a young, I also loved dogs, and now I still love them.
Okay. So when I was young, not when I was a young, okay?
Yes.
When I was a kid or
I
when I was young is different.
yes.
When I was a kid or when I was young. Don't mix it, okay?
Yes.
All right. When I was a kid, I still love dog and now I still love them. It's the same. Okay, so what do you learn about people from animal they like? What do you learn about people from animals they like? For example, you like dogs and you raise a dog, right? You raise a dog, and what do you learn from when you raise a dog?
I think it is
Mhm.
patience and carefulness. Uh,
Careful.
carefulness. Like
Mm,
because when you raise a dog, you have to spend a lot of time just feeding the dogs, or bát bát souring for them. Moreover, you also have to has to has to cost uh, an amount of money to buy food for them, or buy a small house for them too.
You mean a cage, right?
Yes, the cage.
A cage. Okay, so when you raise an animal, not only a dog, raise an animal, right? You have to have a responsibility.
Yes,
Responsibility about for feeding them, protecting them. Yeah, of course you have to feeding and have a patience for them, right? Sometimes they very aggressive and sometimes they disobey, but sometimes they very cute. Okay, so and have to learn how to be patient, be careful with animals. Okay?
yes.
Okay, so can you pronunciation the word time?
What? Thai,
Phát âm lại giúp chị cái từ time,
tam,
not time. Time, không phải time. Lại chị xem nào.
tam,
Time.
tam,
Rồi mình sẽ đọc là time và
tam,
mình ngậm môi lại. Time,
tam,
time
Thai,
again.
Thai,
Đúng không? Gần đúng rồi.
Thai,
Đúng không? không phải time
Yeah.
nhé.
Yeah.
Vậy là time.
Time.
Yeah, exactly. Đúng rồi đấy. My time.
My time.
Đúng rồi. Không phải là time.
Yeah.
Ừ. Time. Gì nữa nhỉ? Ừm, because.
Because.
Đúng rồi, because. Or you can speak faster like because is
Yeah.
more is more sound like fluency. Fluent. Okay. Nó nghe nó trôi chảy, nó tự nhiên hơn. Alright, so which animals are popular as pets in your country?
Uh, Pets such as dogs, cats, or fish.
Mhm.
Are the most uh, popular in my countries because I think they are friendly and also easy to raise compared to others pets.
Mm. So you have fish as a pet?
No,
No. So your house don't have any pets?
no, I
But-
don't have any pets.
So in the past?
I think in the in the past, we didn't have I didn't have any pets.
Really? So
Yeah.
sad. You have to have a pet like dog is really, really cute and really have friendly. I'm about to get a dog. Maybe next month.
Oh yes.
Mm, it's very cute. Okay, so this is the card for you. I will give you 1 minute. We will talk about a pet you once had, but you didn't have any pet in the past. But you have to imagine that.
Yes.
You have imagined that you had a pet in the past, and you have to decrease it. Okay? So you should say what kinds of animal it was, what kind of care is needed, and what you like about it, and what you didn't like about it, and say whether is it a popular pet or not, and give the reason. It's like you have to tell me a story, but included there are some point here. One, two, three, four.
Yes.
Okay, so I will give you 1 minute to prepare. Okay, your 1 minute. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, today I would like to talk about a pet that I have raised. It is a small dog whose fur is full black. Therefore, sometimes I can't see I can't see him I can't see him especially in the evening or in the dark room and to raise a dog to thrive there are a lot of things that I have to do. First of all is I have to buy beach where he can live a lot of nutritious food for him or a small backpack that I can bring him and everywhere and the most the thing that I like the most from him is like he is a a companion that always besides me whenever I have a sorrow and whenever I have sorrows or I feels stressful. However, like sometimes he always barks a lot that that's it does made me feel tired and feel like uh, irritated. And I think dog is the most common pet in my countries because the first of all it is easily to raise and it can be the best companion for you. Besides that, it can help you a lot. For example, uh, like help you follow the correct path or uh, or I can care your baby too. And
Mm,
that's all I want to say.
all right, it's very good. Okay, so after your speaking, your decrease, I will give you some feedback about your idea. First of all, your idea is very good. It's very completely, is completely, actually. And about the pronunciation, you say mm, example, not example,
Example.
example. And what you like about it? About what do you say you like about it?
Is he is a good companion.
And can you can follow him and he can um guide you its
Yeah.
correct direction, right?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. And you didn't lie about Kim is sometimes so annoying, right?
Yes, annoying.
Mm, yeah, sometimes so annoying. Very good. Okay, so next one, I want to ask you some question about animals. So, what are the main roles of animal in your country?
Uh, as I mentioned before, um, animals plays animals play a important role in guiding people to the correct directions. Besides that, animal also used as a babysitter, like for like it can take care of your babies or also your elderly um elderly yeah.
Mm, okay, so the question is what are the main roles? So there are many roles of animal in your country, right? Vậy thì mình có rất là nhiều cái roles of animal in your country. So first of all, when you answer this question, you have to say, well, there are many. rows of animals in my country.
Yes.
First of all, secondly, and thirdly, and fourth, and moreover, or the lastly. Okay, when you answer this question, you have to say like that. You have to speak like that. Okay, so firstly, it's like what? Đầu tiên là nói như nào nhỉ? Nó là gì?
It is it can guide people to correct directions.
So what is that? It's like a guider.
Yes, guide.
Firstly, is play a role like a guider because it usually guide some people, some blind people. You know blind people?
Yes, I know.
The blind, okay? The blind, the people the who cannot see. So the dog is like a guider for them. Okay, the second one,
It's like baby sister.
baby sister. What does that mean? Baby sister is like have you take care of your baby.
Yeah.
Okay, and the third one,
First one is like a police. Like
police.
it's
Police in
yeah.
their yeah, in the army or police station, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it have police to find out. I'm sorry. To find out the in like the accident, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so the last one,
The last one. It can be uh a listener.
a
Like because,
listener.
yes, like because dogs don't know dogs don't know to speak. So if we have a sorrows or like a sad stories, we can uh reconcile to them. Okay. No, we can like talk to them to share these stories.
It's like venting. You know
Yes,
venting?
and
You know venting?
you know when
Em có biết cái từ này không?
no.
Vent something to someone. What does that mean? Take a guess.
I think is share stories.
It's like share story. Tiếng Việt có nghĩa là gì nhỉ?
Tâm sự.
Đúng rồi, exactly. Vent something to somebody. For example, instead of you say you talk to the dog or talk to your mom or share something your mom, you can say I vent something about school today to my mom. Okay? Okay. So one more thing, one more rule of the dog or of the animal in the house. They like they are like
It has
security.
uh, security.
Security, right? What does that mean?
Like it can protect uh uh our house from
hmm
theft.
Yeah, that's right. The dog or the animal can be a security. That means that they can protect your house from what? From thief,
Yeah.
from robber, right? Okay, very good. All right. So, can you tell me why is important to conserve the world animal and plant service species?
Uh, I think because uh protest the world's animal and plant species have uh can have the atmosphere freshness
Mm-hmm.
because they um, generate oxy for oxygens
What
for
is it?
our world. Uh,
Mm.
besides that, like um, it can uh, make the it can enhance the biodiversity for the nature's world. Yeah, that's enough.
Okay, very good. Okay. So that's it, the whole lesson today about the speaking animals. And today we learn about how to distinguish between,
E and E.
okay, E and E. Okay, and about talking about animal. Okay, so you have any question about lesson today?
No,
Okay, so that's it, the whole lesson today. See you later.
partition.
Okay, goodbye.